Welcome to Non-X Studios. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful blend of inspiration from Logan and The Last of Us. Imagine a gritty post-apocalyptic world where a fierce protective father figure and his young daughter must survive, together against all odds. I'll be capturing their deep bond, the harshness of their world, and the glimmers of hope that push them forward. Let's bring this emotional story to life in art, one stroke at a time. Grab a seat and join me as we explore. Here's the final piece. If you enjoyed the process, hit like and subscribe for more art magic. Got ideas or questions? Drop a comment, I'd love to connect. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.